Okay, guys, Frugal Fixer here. I got the machine that I bought and put the new screen in, the new polycarbonate clear screen right there. And I got my new ball dispenser here. Now I've got the game turned on, and I'm just going to dispense me a ball. Oh, it's ready to play. Just that simple. Yeah, 50. Got it. Oh, got a little hot. If that ball didn't come back where I could get to it, went over there somewhere. Tap. Go. Set the ball. Get a read. Okay, guys. That's the way the thing works out. And if you want to putt, you can bring this over here and bring your ball right over here. And you can putt on this smooth grass down here so you ain't putting over there on that bristly stuff. So, hey, that's the way all of it kind of works together. The ball dispenser will put it right on the dot. The slide will let you adjust your spot where you hit from either, what if you want to hit here? Well, okay. But what if I want to go all the way over here and put one on this tee? Wow. And then what if I want it right there? But look at it, it's kind of on the edge of the box. So watch this little move, guys. Watch. Now it's in the center of the box, right where I want to hit it, right on the mat where I want to use the mat, and right down the center. And that's the way you play golf the spike way. Yeah, there will be a package with that, and a slide, and a new screen, and the base, and everything all together. Got to get it all figured out. Watch the website. See you soon. Gotta go.